My name is Abhijit Singh. I lead business analysis and digital strategy for Airtel IT. It's all about researching next-gen technologies, looking at what's going on around the world, and bringing that to the Indian customers. So it's being on the top of the technology chain, basically. I end up working with lots of teams here, right from the sales team to the strategy team. So you get to learn a lot because you meet lots of people from different walks of life, different experiences, and I think that's the best bit about it. Why Airtel though? I think with a brand like Airtel, you end up working with literally every ladder in the pyramid here, right from the bottom of the pyramid in a village to the highest ladder in the metro cities. So you impact lives, and I think that's the beauty about it.
Hey, I'm Amit Singhal. I work for Airtel Online. I joined Airtel 1 year back as a front-end developer. I currently head all front-end development for Airtel Online. So we work on every project that Airtel delivers. So we are the most popular channel of Airtel. Like online is the customer facing channel. In today's digital world, that's the most important channel that in the way we can communicate with people. So every project, every launch of Airtel is associated with online team. The best part about Airtel is your top management, your CEO, CIO, they work with you directly. People here are self-motivated. So in Airtel, you will be working with the best minds you have ever seen. The kind of work we deliver is very unique. You will not find this scale in any of the companies. And if you consider online team in particular, so we have a website that serves millions of people a day. People are actually working not just for earning their living. We are solving the problem that no one has solved yet. We are doing jobs that have never been done before.
My first project with Airtel was in IT B2C VAS team, and it was about a DTH self-care app. It was a successful project. It was launched with a lot of fanfare. From there I moved on to be a part of the Airtel Money IT team, and we successfully launched Airtel Money in the market. It was a successful project. It was launched with a lot of fanfare. From there I moved on to be a part of the Airtel Money IT team, and we successfully launched Airtel Money in the market. Agile team is an internal development team. We call it the Innovation Center. We develop applications for our internal customers, internal functions. These applications are mostly automations that we have done. There are also some mobile apps that we have developed for our internal customers. We are also right now working on a B2C app. It's vibrant. They are all a bunch of youngsters aged 24 to 26. They are kids. I have learned a lot from them. They are high-spirited. They want to learn, and they want to be friends with even their seniors. They have taught me a lot. They like to party when it comes to, but when it comes to work, they love delivering and sticking to the timelines. If you ask me, Airtel would be the place where you can do the jobs that you have never ever done before in your entire professional career.
Hi, I'm Shashank Ghi. I joined Bharti Airtel back in 2012 as a software developer. The ever-evolving journey has seen me grow from an Android developer to a full-stack developer, then actually now leading a team and developing an end-to-end solution for the company. The ever-changing market needs has always kept me on my feet. One of the key solutions that I developed over time, now known as Airtel Genie, is used right now for analyzing the customer network needs and giving them resolutions on the fly. Agile Lab is a very cool place to work in. Getting the opportunity to work on a daily basis with the most innovative minds in the industry and with the third largest telecommunication provider with IT as its backbone is an enriching experience.
Hi, I'm Komal and I'm a part of Airtel Agile Lab, which is Airtel's in-house development center. I joined Airtel around June 2012, and since then I'm with Airtel. My initial project with Airtel was Airtel Money. So if we talk about women in technology, Airtel is the place to be, I guess, because we are totally judged on our technology talent, not on our gender, and every opportunity provided is irrespective of the gender you belong to. So that gives us a very happy feeling working, that we are treated equal and there is no discrimination. And also, to top it all, the CIO of the company is also a woman, which is very aspirational for us to work in Airtel.